शर्ट में जैकेट में लगता है कि अच्छा दिखना चाहिए तो पेट अंदर खींच के रखो जब आप टीवी पे आते हो, बट बहुत कंफर्टेबल लगा। एक साल पहले T10 एक टेनिस बॉल टूर्नामेंट की प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे दुबई गया था। तो मैंने कहा यार जब टेनिस बॉल से T10 हो सकती है तो क्रिकेट बॉल से क्यों नहीं। तो वो आइडिया शायद मेरे दिमाग में ज़रूर था, लेकिन वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया। शाह जी ने वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया है कि T10। और रही बात कि ये सबसे बेस्ट फॉर्मेट होगा मेरे लिए, भागना पड़ेगा नहीं, वैसे भी कम भागता था। तो 10 ओवर है, 60 बॉल है, 100 रन है, 80 रन, 120 रन। अगर चल गए तो शायद 150 भी बन सकते हैं टीम के, इंडिविजुअल के नहीं। तो आई थिंक बेस्ट फॉर्मेट है मेरे जैसे खिलाड़ी के लिए, क्योंकि जो पहले 10 ओवर जो पावर प्ले का इस्तेमाल करते थे उनमें 70-80 रन बनाते थे भारत के लिए, लेकिन अभी तो फॉर्मेट ही T10 है। 10 ओवर में शायद अब वो 80 नहीं 100-120 तक बनेंगे। तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। एक तो काफ़ी अंतराल के बाद खेलूंगा, तो थोड़ी फिटनेस कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ बैटिंग की, वापस बैट पर बॉल लगे, क्योंकि मैं इकलौता हूँ शायद जो रिटायर्ड होऊंगा जो खेल रहा हूँ। बाकी सब लोग करंट प्लेयर है, पाकिस्तान के हों, श्रीलंका के हों, इंग्लैंड के, साउथ अफ्रीका, ज़्यादातर करंट प्लेयर खेल रहे हैं, तो और मज़ा आएगा।
There is a synergy to this, I suppose. I live in Maharashtra. My mother's a Maharashtrian. Okay, Parvez Bhai has lived in Maharashtra all his life, and he was from Pune. So, and then our other partner from the UAE, no? So I think that just the synergy of choosing the name, it just happened, and luckily, we can actually say, like, if I was connected to the other team, which I would probably feel I would be connected to, probably would be the Pakhtun team, because of the whole Pathan background from my father's side. But so either of these two teams, I would have been comfortable that I can actually get involved or speak about it, or have some kind of connect to it. So I'm glad that at least if the Maratha team was offered to us, and we are part of the Marathi team, so there will be some synergy. But coming to what you said regarding the T10, I think cricket is the only game that has evolved itself, and that's why it's kept the life going. It was there should be a lot of 5-day, then there was 1 day, then there was T20, and then this. So it's just keeping the interest of the audience. It's just keeping the interest of the people, of the fans. In fact, if you see now, I mean, no offense to football or hockey or any of these games now, but there are times when no goal has been shot, or it's 1-1, like as Virupaji said, that when you bring out the audience to come to the stadium, they want to see some great cricket, they want to be entertained, and they want to see some wickets, they want to see some sixes, some fours, the adrenaline rush that happens. Now if you see a football game, sometimes there's no decision. It's
it's an inner.
Yeah, so I genuinely say that, okay, fine, give the athletes more space to play, instead of like how cricket has evolved, make it into 9 players, where they can actually exhibit now their skills on the football field, where they've got space, where they can shoot more goals, where something happens, and that's what cricket. So when this whole T10 came about, I remember when I spoke to Saji, and Saji said that, hope to have you on board. I said, I'm on. I said, because it is something that, first things first, I love the sport, and I just think that it's a no-brainer. It's something which is going to be delightful, it's going to be fun, it's going to be festive. When I told my younger son that, I'm going to be a part of the T10, the first thing that came out from his mouth was, superb, Dad. It's going to be a riot. And, when you hear things instantly, there's going to be a huge success.